Good morning, students. Today, class 10th, third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable, and we will do NCERT exercise 3.1. So, the question number first, please read the question carefully. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be the 3 times as old as you will. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. So, what is the question? In the given question, Aftab is the father and he is talking to his daughter that 7 years ago, the Aftab is 7 times as older as her daughter. So first we will let the present age of Aftab daughter is X year and the present age of Aftab is Y year. हमने ऐसा सपोज किया है कि प्रेजेंट में माना आफ्ताब की डॉटर की एज एक्स ईयर है और आफ्ताब की एज जो है वो वाई ईयर्स है. नाउ एज पर द गिवन कंडीशन condition 7 years ago Aftab daughter age will be Aftab daughter age will be equals to x minus 7 because her present age is x year. So 7 years ago she will be x minus 7 and 3 years hence. 3 years hence means after 3 years or after 3 years her age will be x plus 3. Similarly, Aftab is 7 years ago will be y minus 7 and 3 years hence Aftab age will be y plus 3. So what we did, we suppose that the present age of daughter is x year and Aftab age is y year. Now 7 years ago her daughter will be x minus 7 and 3 years hence she will be x plus 3 years. Similarly, present age of Aftab is y year. So after 7 years, Aftab will be y minus 7 and 3 years hence Aftab will be y plus 3 years. Now the condition is that 7 years ago her daughter Aftab was 7 times as old as her daughter. So as per conditions or situations Aftab 7 year ago age is y minus 7 and her daughter is x minus 7, and at this step Aftab is 7 times older than her daughter. So if we multiply her daughter's age by 7, then both the age will be equal. So y minus 7 will be equals to 7x minus 49. So take this term containing x in left hand side. So it will be y minus 7x will be equals to minus 49 plus 7, implies that it will be equals to y minus 3x is equals to minus 42. So while taking in right hand side, this will be y minus 3x plus 42 equals to 0. So we can write it as 3x minus y minus 42 barabar 0. This is the first interrelation between the age of Aftab and her daughter. So this 3x minus y minus 42 equals to 0 is a linear equation in variable x and y, where x is the present age of her daughter and y is the present age of Aftab itself. Now next condition is 3 years from now I shall be 3 times as old as you. That is, Aftab is telling to her daughter that after 3 years I shall be 3 times as old as you, means आफ्ताब की जो एज है 3 year hence 3 साल बाद आफ्ताब की एज उसकी डॉटर की एज की 3 गुना हो जाएगी. सो अगेन एज पर द गिवन कंडीशन we will write one more relation. So now as per given situation, 3 years hence Aftab will be y plus 3 and her daughter will be x plus 3. And what Aftab is telling? Aftab is telling that my age will be 3 times the age of her daughter. So अगर हम उसके डॉटर की एज को 3 से अगर मल्टीप्लाई कर दे तो दोनों की एज इक्वल हो जाएगी. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन y plus 3 will be equals to 3x plus 9. So y minus 3x is equals to 9 minus 3. So y minus 3x is equals to 6, implies that y minus 3x minus 6 is equals to 0. On multiplying both sides by minus 1, we can write 3x minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. So this one is the linear equation in variable x and y, that is 3x minus y plus 6 is equals to 0. Now question number second. Question second is that the coach of cricket team buys 3 bat and 6 balls from 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of same kind of for rupees 1500. Represent this situation algebraically. So let the cost of one bat. Question number second. Let the cost of one bat is rupees x and the cost of one ball is rupees y. Now how much bat and ball she purchased? She purchased 3 bat and 6 balls for rupees 3900. So as per as per condition, cost of one bet is rupees X and one ball is Y. So for 3 bet, 3X plus for 6 ball, 6 into Y will be equals to 3900. So this is the first interrelation between the variable X and Y, and this is linear equation in two variable X and Y. Now similarly, letter C buys one bet and 3 more balls. So 1 into X plus 3Y is equals to 1500. So this is the second linear equation in variable X and Y. So in simplest form, this can be written as on dividing by 3 in both sides. So it will be equals to X plus 2Y is equals to 1300, and this will be X plus 3Y is equals to 1500. So this is the relation between X and Y, that is a pair of linear equation is created. Now question number 3 in then question number 3, the cost of 2 kg apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kg of apple and 2 kg of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically. So let the cost of 1 kg apple is equals to rupees X, and the cost of 1 kg grapes is equals to rupees Y. How much he is purchasing? 2 kg of apple and 1 kg of grapes. So by the given condition, cost of 1 kg apple is rupees X and cost of 1 kg grapes is Y. So for 2 kg 2X and 1 kg 1 into Y, and total spent rupees 160. So this one is the first equation. We can write 2x plus y is equals to 160. And on the another day, she purchased 4 kg apple and 2 kg of grapes in rupees 300. So second situation, 4x plus 2y will be equals to 300. So for simplification, we can divide on both sides 2 by 2. So it will be 2x plus y will be equals to 150. So the pair of linear equations for this situation is first 2x plus y is equals to 160, and second 2x plus y is equals to 150. So this is the pair of linear equation in two variable x and y. So hope you like this video. Please like it, share it and subscribe. Thank you.